Hey there, Moises Beauchamp Jr. here, top funnel builder expert. I'm revealing the secrets that you need to build funnels. Book your call today with your boy, Moises Beauchamp Jr. I'd love to learn more about your business so we could put a comprehensive plan together. Just simply click on the button and book your call today, and we will put a comprehensive plan together for you today. What you will be getting is a branded website, a WordPress website designed by me, a domain. Your website will be hosted and maintained. And as a bonus, I will be giving you a Facebook business page. And your price today is just $75 monthly. Okay, the actual website is free, and all you will be paying for is the maintenance fees. Okay, your first step will be to click the green button to book your appointment today. Book your appointment. We will discuss what are your needs. Then I'll get to work on building your website. And the final step will be you paying the $75 monthly hosting and maintenance fees. So with that said, my good friends, I look forward to working with you in the future. I'll see you on the inside. Book your call today.